If we have the expression 75 minus 15 divided by 3 times 5, then what is the correct answer of this question? Many people, when solving this question, first go to the subtraction between 75 and 15. And instead of this expression, they write 60 divided by 3, then times 5. And the next step, they go for the division between 60 and 3. And instead of this expression, they write 20 times 5, which finally gives them the answer 100. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go to the multiplication between 3 and 5 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, instead of this expression, they write 75 minus 15 divided by 15. And the next step, they go to the division between 15 and 15 because they think division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 75 minus 1, which finally gives them the answer 74. But it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. We must perform these operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. Okay, according to the PEMDAS rule, first we go for the division and multiplication because these two operations have a higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So, first we go for the division between 15 and 3. And instead of this expression, we can write 75 minus 5, then times 5. And the next step, we go for the multiplication between 5 and 5 because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we rewrite this expression as 75 minus 25, which finally gives us the answer 50. Alright, now let's solve another math question together. What is the value of the expression 14 divided by 7 times open parenthesis 16 divided by 8 close parenthesis? Many people, when solving this question, first go to the parenthesis because they believe parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, they write 14 divided by 7, then times 2. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 7 and 2 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 14 divided by 14, which finally gives them the answer 1. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule step by step from top to bottom. According to this rule, first we go for the parentheses because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we rewrite this expression as 14 divided by 7, then times 2. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have the same level of priority and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So, first we perform the division between 14 and 7 and instead of this expression, we can write 2 times 2, which finally gives us the answer 4.